A federal judge is weighing today on whether to halt the federal immigration crackdown in Minnesota. Minnesota and the cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul sued the Department of Homeland Security earlier this month following the death of Renee Good. The hearing begins this morning in federal court in Minneapolis. State Attorney General Keith Ellison plans to also attend in person. They want the judge to order federal law enforcement to reduce their numbers back to what they were before the surge. And they also want limits on how immigration laws are enforced. Justice Department lawyers called the lawsuit, quote, legally frivolous. They said Minnesota wants a veto over federal law enforcement, and they asked the judge to reject or delay the request. And it's not clear when the judge will rule. Meanwhile, President Trump is sending his border czar Tom Homan to Minnesota tonight. And in a Truth Social post, he said Tom Homan, quote, has not been involved in that area, but knows and likes many of the people there. Tom is tough, but fair, and will report directly to me. Trump added that a major investigation is ongoing regarding what he called the massive $20 billion welfare fraud that has taken place in Minnesota. He said this fraud is, quote, partially responsible for the violent organized protests on the streets. In a separate post on X, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt said Tom Homan will be managing ICE operations on the ground to, quote, continue arresting the worst of the worst criminal illegal aliens.